What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we're going to talk about Bridge. Okay, guys, the reason why I'm making this video is because I've been looking for some bridges to get onto Solana, and well, there's really not much. I mean, people are like, yeah, I use FTX US, or yeah, I use KuCoin, use Binance US, and I'm like, bro, we're in DeFi, and we really want to use CeFi to do that? I don't think so. But anyways, Bridge is the one that allows you to do it. I tried it personally. It does have a bit of slippage. I will be honest with you. It's not a crazy amount though. I tried it with $1,000 or about 1,400, and it ended up only being about $2. So the slippage really isn't that bad at all. So if you put that into relation, it's like 0.01%. Or 0.1%. I'm sorry. So it's nothing crazy. It's actually a little bit less. It's more like 0.6 or 7 or 0.06% and so on. It's not too bad. So how do you use Bridge? Well, you can actually transfer from Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, or even Ethereum onto Solana. Yes, they have the traditional wormhole bridge to get onto Solana, but not for me. You can also use Ren. Ren's not a bad bridge either. I'm not going to go into that one today. But Bridge, I actually like this one because it comes straight from Polygon, and it's pretty easy to use, and it's not anything crazy. All you got to do is you select the tokens you're going to be sending from. So say, for example, I'm coming from Polygon, which most people may be, or Binance Smart Chain, and you're saying, hey, I'm going to go to Solana. You then select the token that you want to bring over. USDT, USDC, Sol, My, Cracker, Race Car, Wallet Token, Happy Coin, whatever. But the point is, easily you can swap from Matic or Binance Smart Chain and go to Solana. So all you do is you connect your wallet. This is going to be your MetaMask wallet. So you connect it when it's on Polygon, and then you choose the amount that you want to send. So let me go ahead and connect the MetaMask wallet so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So the wallet's connected, and now you want to select the amount you want to send to. This is going to be the Solana address because I'm going from Polygon to Solana. What would be interesting is if they added in a integration where you can connect your Solana wallet, so like Phantom. But instead, you just have to copy and paste the address. It's going to send whatever amount that you're wanting. The bridge fee isn't anything crazy. So depending on what you're sending, I mean, let's say, I don't know, just any amount that you want to send. Instead of doing Sol, it's probably best to do something like USDC because the fees are a bit lower. So that's something to keep in mind. It's only 25 cents. It's better than sending Sol because, well, the Sols are pretty hefty. And then just buy the Sol when you get over on Solana. Then you have the confirmation. It's about 150 confirmations. It'll take you about 10 minutes. So this whole bridging time frame that I did, it probably took me a total of 10 to 15 minutes. Nothing crazy at all. So once that confirmation, it'll show up, it'll finish, it'll clear through. And then on the fourth section where you receive your money, you make a transaction on your Phantom wallet, approve it, and it brings it over. However, when you get it on your Phantom wallet, it is in the AP or AB, or it's one of the tokens. I can't remember what it is, but it's the AB wallet token. So that is not native USDC. It's AP USDC. You have to swap that USDC for, well, AP USDC for USDC. There is a bit of slippage. I'll be honest with you. It cost me about $2 in slippage, so it's nothing crazy at all. So a matter of $2.25 in order to bridge USDC over to Solana. So highly recommend you guys take a look at Bridge. Keep in mind, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you try a little amount of funds to make sure Bridge works for you. There is a chance like, hey, your funds can get lost. It is a smart contract, so keep that in mind, guys. But this is from AnySwap. So I kind of like them. I like AnySwap for doing Matic to Phantom. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video. This is how you can bridge your assets onto Solana in an easy way, in a decentralized way. In my opinion, this is one of the best. And if you guys enjoyed the video, 3 things: like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment in that description below telling me what your favorite DeFi project is right now. What's printing cash for you? Tell me what you guys had for dinner. Let's leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 17, verses 26. If imposing a fine on the innocent is not good, surely to flog honest officials is not right. That's so true, man. So true. Gotta say thanks to the patrons: Sean Bott, Daw Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Dago Nacho, Matthias, Matt There Is, DMC Codes, isn't that a band? Pork Rind, Aw Snap, Roslav Alexandrovich, don't mess with the Russian boys. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk, so here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.